In a pair of 7-2 decisions this morning, the Supreme Court told Donald Trump, "You are not above the law." But the Supreme Court also said in both decisions that congressional committees and a local DA in Manhattan who are seeking records from Donald Trump, financial records and income tax returns, you will not be getting these anytime soon. You may get them eventually, but you'll have to go back to the lower courts to fully resolve these disputes. So, how did we get here, and what are the implications? This all started a year or two ago. There are 3 cases that have been consolidated into 2 cases. One involves a couple of different congressional committees, all doing different investigations.
Investigating money laundering,
foreign influence over the Trump organization,
possible bank fraud,
for which they have subpoenaed records from Trump's accounting firm and to 2 banks that Trump has long done business with to ask for financial records regarding Trump, his businesses, business records regarding the Kushner family, Jared and Ivanka. 3 congressional committees, all looking for financial records, not income tax returns. The other case is a case brought by Cyrus Vance Jr., the Manhattan DA, who, remember Stormy Daniels?
The president funneled $130,000 through the firm of his lawyer, Michael Cohen, to repay him for buying off Stormy Daniels just before the election.
Well, there are questions about how that money was routed, and they involve the Trump organization and whether they committed any sort of fraud.
The DA's office investigating whether the Trump administration falsified business records related to hush money payments.
So he's asked Trump's accounting firm, again, not going directly to Trump, for Trump's tax records and other financial information. The question there is whether the sitting president can be investigated for possibly breaking the law. So these cases have a lot of important value to them. One gets to the question of whether Congress can subpoena records regarding the president and has the ability to fulfill its oversight responsibility involving a president. And the other is whether a president who may have committed crimes can be fully investigated.